Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, we're wrapping up another week, kind of a slow one today, but it is not likely to be a slow one next week. We've got some PMI coming out on Monday. We've got some home data coming out Tuesday, but Wednesday's the big one. That is the next Fed announcement. I bet you're wondering, when is the next Fed announcement? That's when it is. It's just 5 days away. Now, let's talk about expectations. So, you read the media and you hear some people saying, oh, people are not worried about recession anymore and they should start cutting rates. And everybody's got these opinions. There's a lot of smart people at the Fed and they're going to make the final decision. But you know who else is smart? Traders who read the Fed and make pretty big dollar amount bets on what the Fed will do. They're not guessing, they're not hoping, they're not thinking the Fed's going to do what they want to have happen. They're trying to get a read on it. Now, the federal funds contract at the CME Group says that there's a 99.8% chance, that's what's priced into the futures over there, of the Fed raising rates by 25 basis points. So as far as the market is concerned, the real market, not the journalists that you read about where they find somebody who says something that's an anomaly, but the real market thinks that it's almost certain the Fed raises rates by 25 basis points. And probably they think that because, well, the Fed told us that they were going to, or at least really led us to believe that. So that's what we have on tap. If there is any change in that, if they don't raise rates, or if they raise them 50 basis points, which is doesn't seem to be a remote chance, the way I see it, or the market for that matter, we could get some massive volatility. But if they just raise it 25 basis points, all ears are going to be on what Powell and his friends say after that to give guidance for what might happen in the future. So that's what we got on tap for next week, and I'll see you then. This is Dan Passarelli. Have a great weekend and trade smart.